To display the message ring ring when the value of data reaches 100, or display no ring if otherwise. Okay, display. So public void display. Okay, put like this. Okay, you type if data 100 means what you type? System of print line. What? Ring. Ring. Else you type no ring. Can you find any mistake here? Pardon? Anything else? There's another mistake. There's another mistake inside this, the parts that I've highlighted. Can you detect the mistake? There's one major mistake in the parts that I've highlighted. Anyone? If data is equals to 100, which one? Equal. Which one is? This line is error. But can you tell me why this is error? Why? Why this is error? See, data is private. Private means it's only recognized in this class. Earlier I told you subclass cannot call superclass private methods and private data, right? So you cannot call data because data is really private. Subclass cannot call unless this is protected or public, right? But you already put it private, so subclass cannot invoke data. If public or protected, okay. So how you can change this? How you can change? You cannot use super. Super data cannot. It's still super. You call constructor. So in the super class, which methods returns the attributes value? Yes, get data. Constructor is when you create the object, you want to assign the value. So my question is, which method gives you the current value of attribute data? Answer is yes, get data. Just put get data. Get data is public or private or protected? Public. Public means no problem. Okay. You cannot use data, but you want to retrieve the value of data. You use get data. This is member method, but to be specific, this is known as accessor method. You know what is accessor method? Methods that returns the value of a private attribute, because this attribute you cannot directly access data, but if you want to access the value of data, you can do it by using accessor method. This is accessor method. Accessor method is a public method that returns the value of private attribute. What is mutator method? You don't have mutator here. What is mutator method? Yes, it is opposite of this. Mutator method is a method that you use to assign a value to a mutator is a method that you use to assign a value to a private attribute. This other way around. Here you retrieve. When you retrieve a value of private data, it is accessor method. But when you want to assign a value to a private data, that method is mutator. You know the assignment question, accessor, mutator? Okay. Okay, so this is accessor method. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, any question? So this is subclass. So you can see here, class timer has two constructors, and these two constructors call this superclass constructor, and the subclass timer has method display, and at the same time it also can use display here, get data here, update, all public, right? So all these things here can be used by subclass timer, but private data cannot, and these two constructors cannot. But two constructors directly cannot, indirectly can by using super. So all these class timer can use get data, can use update. So the object of timer can call update, can call get data, can call display. But just to alert you, okay, you see display here in the superclass, and you can see display in the subclass. Is it allowed in Java? Can you have a method redefined in the subclass? Can. This is known as method earlier overloading, right? But this is overriding. When a method in a superclass is redefined in the subclass, this is known as overriding. Riding, not loading. But if I put like this, if I put int something like int u, okay, this is overloading or overriding? Overloading. This is overriding. It is not overriding. You know why? It's different now. This is display. This is display. Other one parameter. This is no parameter. So you are not redefining this display. You are creating a new display because you have a parameter here. So this is overloading. But if I take out intu, this is overriding because you are redefining, because exactly the same. Right, exactly the same. So this is overriding. So don't confuse overloading and overriding. You only have overriding in the subclasses. Okay, but if I put int u or int a, this is overloading. Okay, so we have done. So let us create the object of timer. Okay, now I go back to obj. Okay, now I will create timer. Okay, I put T1. I put new timer. Okay, nothing here. I put timer T2 equals to new timer. I put 12. Then I put T1 update. T1 dot update. Then I put T2 dot update, and then I put T1 dot display. Then I put T2 dot display. Okay, for this part. Okay, this part you know the answer. Answer is what? What was the output earlier? 2, 5. Okay, this one you know, 2, 5. Okay, how about this one? Okay, 2 minutes to get the output. Okay, before that, make sure you save the timer. Timer.java, all files. Okay, save. Just hold on, and then you have obj. Okay. This is the object you are creating. This is timer. This is counter. Okay, we only have another 5 minutes. Okay, what's the answer? You can compile and you can get output.
Cannot get output. Can compile but cannot get
means you have okay, I compile, make sure you recompile. Okay, output is no ring, no ring. Okay, I show you how we get no ring. Okay, I think I have enough time to explain. Okay, this one you know 2 5. Okay. Okay, this line T1 new timer. So refers to which constructor? Okay, this one refers to this one, right? Okay, so we will go inside and this one will call this one. Okay, so now data is 0. So for T1 data is 0. T1 data is, can you understand? You go here and then this sub constructor will call superclass constructor. Okay, okay, make this line. Class name, object is T2, timer 12. Timer 12 will go to second. Okay, so 12 will be assigned to V, right? Okay, super 12. So 12 will be assigned to value. Value will be assigned to data. So for T2, data is what? 12. Okay. Okay. T1 update. 0 become 1. 0 become 1. Again, T1 update. So 1 become 2. Okay, T2 update. 12 become 13. Okay, if you notice, updates is from updates are from the superclass, right? Okay, okay. If you see here in timer, you don't have update, but in the superclass you have the update, right? And no problem because update are public, right? So object can call. If it's private, cannot. Okay, or protected also cannot. So T1 update, T2 update. So object timer call update which available from the superclass. Okay, T1 display. Which display? This display or this display? Superclass or subclass? Sub. You know why? You have redefined, right? When both has display, so since this is object of timer, so this will refer to display in subclass because you have redefined. So this is cancelled by the subclass. Okay. So get data. Okay, T1 display. T1 display. If get data, this one, right? Return data. Okay, for T1 data is what? 2, right? Again, okay, T1 display will go here. Get data, it will jump to the superclass. Get data for get data, return data. Since you are dealing with T1, so T1 data is 2. Okay, get data equals to 100. True or false? False, right? Because it's 100. But at the moment you only have 2. So it's false. So this one will be executed. This one is no ring. No ring, right? See? No ring. Okay, then okay, so no ring. For T2 display will jump here. Get data. Okay, get data will jump to the superclass. Public, no problem. Return data. You are dealing with T2. For T2, data is 13. Okay, 13. So we get 13. 13 equals to 100. No, right? It's false. False means no ring. Okay, so that's how we get no ring, no ring. Okay. So this is for the counter C1, counter C2. These two form the object timer. Okay. So with that, I have finished with inheritance. Okay. Any question? I will upload this in forum later, so you can download. Okay, if you're having difficulty to get the output, means you need to do some correction. Sometimes you can compile, but you cannot get the output when you execute. It means you need to go back to this program. You try to relook again the corrections. Okay. Any question? Okay. Okay, doesn't matter if you're still confused, you go back. Okay. Okay, now you take your self-test again. Where's the self-test? Self-test. Now you try to redo at home. Okay, now you should be able to get the correct answer. Okay. Okay, basically whatever I explain you in the class is here in the question. You can get the answer. Okay, so try to do the self-test again and try to see the difference on the answer.